Hi guys, this is Outvelo, a platform that can automate your LinkedIn outbound from end to end. Here you can manage your campaigns, your connections sent, your messages sent, or anything else that you would do on LinkedIn. To start, go to Accounts, and you can add your account by hitting Add Account and logging in with your LinkedIn details. Next, you can head to your campaigns, and you can create a campaign. You can name your campaign, and then you can pick which leads you want to reach out to. You can either use a lead list that's already created, or you can use one of the other 4 options to upload who you'd like to send it to. Next, you can hit continue, and you can either create a campaign with your own actions, or you can start with a pre-built template based on what you might need. Here, you have a bunch of options on what you might want to do with your LinkedIn outbound. For example, your first message sent. Here you can change and add your first name. And in your follow-up, you might want to make this time more than 2 days, and here you can edit that. Once you're done editing, you can hit continue, and you can choose which accounts you'd like to run this on. Next, you can edit the start and end date and the days which you might want it to run, and you can edit the time zone and the time you might want this to run. You can also change the per account hours if you're using more than one account, so that you can change which account runs when. Next, you can hit continue, and you can start your campaign. After this, you can go to your inbox, which is synced with LinkedIn, and you can send messages straight from here, and they would send as if they were sending from LinkedIn. You can either write your own message and hit send, or you can hit send and follow up, which will generate messages for you to send and will follow up on a daily basis or as you choose them to be. Here you can edit these messages that have been generated by the system, and you can edit the amount of time that it takes to send these. Then you can hit send and start sequence to begin sending messages. Next, here we have your settings, and these are all of your account settings, but what we're going to focus on here is your daily limit. So here you can change these to make LinkedIn notice that you're not a bot, and you can also customize them as you might need them. And if you're unsure of what you should do, you can just hit shield mode here, and it'll automatically make it on what it thinks is best. Lastly, we have integrations. So you can add a webhook so you can have a notification when an event occurs in your workspace. You can add your APIs, or you can add your MCP servers. Lastly, we have the dashboard. And here you can see your total campaigns, your LinkedIn replies, and we have things such as lead tags, which automatically make tags based on your replies, such as interested or not interested, or if somebody has a meeting request. And these are based on what messages are sent to you and are automatically tagged by AI. So that was a quick walkthrough of Outvelo, and if you have any questions, doubts, or suggestions, you can either shoot us a message through the chat box, or you can shoot us an email.